Today I'm gonna be filming a makeup tutorial, which I've been wanting to do for a long time, but I never got around to doing it. And today I'm gonna do it. I'm doing a blue like cut crease, like a blue silver cut crease. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Party in LA, 'cause you knew that I'd be at one. Oh, I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you were mine. Oh, and now I'm all up on you. What you expect? But you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. Oh, you run around, throwing that dirt all on my name. 'Cause you knew that I'd call you up. Maybe now that we're you standing face to face. You already know that you won. Oh, I know that dress is gonna regret. You got me thinking about when you were and now I'm all up on what you expect. 'Cause you're not coming home with me tonight. You just want attention. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? I know that dress is karma, perfume regret. You got me thinking about when you just wanna sense. You don't want my heart. Maybe you just hit the thought of me with someone new. Yeah, you just want attention. I knew from the start. You're just making sure I'm never getting over you. What are you doing to me? What are you doing? What are you doing to me? What are you doing? Yeah, you just want attention. What are you doing from the start? Hey, how's it going? Haven't seen your pretty face in a while now. Babe, I'ma blow it. I really suck at small talk, yeah. Who are you here with? Is he sitting over there at the bar? Well, you got my blessing. I really hate this part. Yeah, I know the words I'm supposed to say, but they come out wrong anyway. I should be like, how's your mother? Where do you live now? Say something about the weather. I really suck at small talk. Let's get right down to it.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really tried my best with this look. I mean, I'm kind of proud of it, so I really hope you guys really like this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that, and comment down below which kind of looks you want me to do next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.